Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of app development and how you can make money from it. So, let's get started. App development is a booming industry, and there's never been a better time to jump in and start making money. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to earn some cash. One of the best ways to make money from app development is by creating a tutorial. People are always looking for ways to improve their skills, and by creating a high-quality tutorial, you can tap into this market. Make sure to focus on advanced topics that will really help users take their skills to the next level. Another great way to make money is by creating a premium version of your app. This can be a paid version with extra features or a subscription-based model. By offering a premium version, you can generate a steady stream of income from your app. Another way to make money is by creating a mobile game. Mobile games are incredibly popular, and by creating a high-quality game, you can tap into this lucrative market. Finally, consider creating an app for a specific niche. By focusing on a specific market, you can create an app that meets the needs of that market and generate income from it. Remember, the key to success in app development is to focus on quality and user experience. By creating high-quality apps that meet the needs of your users, you can build a successful career in app development. Thanks for tuning in today, folks. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!